Hey you guys, so today we are doing a studio vlog. I am going to show you all how I pack my orders. I had 3 orders come in this morning so far, so I am just going to use that to show you guys how I actually go about packing my orders. If this is your first time here, my name is Anna and I am the founder of Bellevue Stationery, your go-to faith-based stationery that inspires you to dream, plan, act, and achieve your goals. But the most important thing is that you are doing that in the presence of God, keeping God as the central focus. And I'm here to journey with you through it all right, so let's get into this vlog. Over here is what I am using right now as my studio. This is actually the game room, but I'm sure you have seen it. If you've watched my other videos, you have seen it before. We're not using it for anything right now, so it's empty. So I am currently using it as my studio. All right, so it's a bit dark in there because the room is painted black, so bear with me with the lighting and everything. Even with lighting, it's still a little bit dark. All right, so let's go in. So this is the shelves where I stored everything, and I do still have boxes everywhere. I have boxes there, as you can see. That's the game room, and I have boxes here as well. So I use these to replenish this as we are selling out. And this is where I do my packing. All right, so this is where I do my packing. Right there I have some boxes there. The shipping boxes, I just put some there. It's just easier for me to get, but I have some more that I replace as that is running out. This is the sign that my friend made for the launch party that we used for the backdrop. If you haven't watched that video, I am going to include it in the cards and in the description box, the launch party, so you can watch that. So I took it from there and just put it here. This is the table that I bought. I actually bought this table from Walmart to use as my packing station for now. My label printer right here. Let me decrease this lighting so you can see my thank you cards or stickers right there. So these are the thank you stickers. These are the bookmarks. Remember, we have 2 different bookmarks. This is for one of the journals, and this other bookmark is for the planner, and one of the, I have it backwards. I have it upside down. That's what. And this is for the other journal and the planner. Okay, and then we have our thank you cards right here. Again, sorry for the lighting, I'm gonna bring it closer to the light. So this is the thank you card, and if you flip the back, there's a QR code that you can scan for your digital downloads, which includes the abstract coloring pages and the devotional and journal prompts and just some other stuff. Over here, all right, so I am using this box right here as my trash can, and these are the bags that the journals go into before they go into the shipping box. And these are the bags for the planners, the keepsake bag or the dust bag. Then I have my bubble wrap right here for the box, the shipping box to put before I put the other products. Then over here I have the different wraps. I have the black one, the pink, and the teal colored one. Let me move this from here. So that is what is there. So that is basically it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these 3 orders printed and packed. All right, so the first thing I do is get on my Shopify to see the orders that need to be fulfilled. And right here you can see it has 3 orders that still need to be fulfilled. I have 3 orders that are still in transit, and I have several that have been delivered. All right, so then I come back to my shipping. I use Pirate Ship for all my shipping needs, and so I'm going to get that done. Okay, now that I have the labels printed out, I don't like to print out the invoice on the label maker. I actually like to print it out on normal 8x11, you know, paper. So I just discovered that I actually preferred the the invoice that prints out from Shopify, because on the invoice it actually includes the picture or the image of the product that was ordered. So I prefer to print out the invoice from Shopify, but print out the labels from Pirate Ship. All right, so I am going to do that, and the printer is downstairs, so I actually do have to run downstairs to grab that. Hopefully, I'm thinking maybe get another printer to have up here, so I don't have to keep running back downstairs. I know it's exercise, but I don't need the exercise when I'm trying to pack orders. Okay, I need efficiency. All right, all right. So let me get that done. She got the planner, and you can see what I was talking about here, where you can see the when you print out the packing slip from Shopify, it has the image of what they ordered. So I love that. So she got the 2025 Plans to Succeed planner. So I am going to grab that. So I just come here, grab one of that. Hey, just wanted to stop in here real quick to tell you all about our early Black Friday sale that is going on right now, and it ends on Friday. You get 10% off when you bundle up, all right? So mix and match any of the journals or the planner to save big. I had to kind of move things around just so you guys will be able to see better. All right, so now I take the box, and I've been telling myself that I really should assemble some of these boxes down, because I'm sure that would make it so much easier, but I just haven't had the time. So yeah, but anyway, I think once I prioritize it, then I'll be able to do that. All right, so after the box is ready, since she got the planner, the black and white planner, I'm gonna put a bubble wrap on it, because I don't want the box of the planner to get damaged during shipping. All right, so this goes in, and once that goes in, then get the black tissue paper, since it's the black and white planner, and that goes in as well. I always try to get this to be so nice, but sometimes it still comes out kind of wrinkled. Like, ugh. Maybe I just need a different kind of paper, one that's not so soft. But anywho, so the planner goes in the box. The bag goes in. The ruler or page mark goes in. And then the thank you card goes in. You can't really see that because it's so bright. Okay, there you go. And remember, it has the code in the back that you can scan. That goes in. Then I close the bag like this, the tissue paper. Get the thank you card, the thank you sticker. It's so pretty. See that? And I use that to close the bag. Then the bubble wrap goes on the top. I hope you guys can see. I don't want to move the camera. It's so much logistics just to move the camera around. And then the packing slip, the one that I printed out with what she ordered and the image of it, that goes right on the top like this. And this is what it's looking like before I close the box. All right. Okay, there we go. There. And now put the packing slip, or not packing slip, the shipping label right in the middle. Good to go. Good to go. So that's the first one. Let's check. I'm also, as I'm packing, I'm also shooting video for Instagram. So let's see how that turned out before I continue. Alright, let's move on to the second one. So for the second order, she also got the planner. All right, the planner has been a huge hit with a lot of people. They love the planner, and I'm so glad, because I poured my heart into it and just kind of built the planner the way that, you know, God instructed me to. So in a way, this is not pride, but I'm not surprised that people love it, but at the same time I am. So the part of me that is not surprised is the part that, you know, it was God-given. These are instructions that God gave me, and I built it according to how he instructed me. So I'm not surprised that people love it, because it's God. And the part of me that's surprised is I've never done anything like this before. This is so outside my comfort zone. And I've never created anything like this before. And just to see that people, you know, love it, it's just like, oh my gosh, like they love something that I made, something that I created. I'm just so humbled, so, you know, honored. So I grab a planner because they got the planner. You know, it just is a humbling experience for me in general. All right, so we got the bag. Sometimes I feel like I'm using too much tape. When I watch some other packing videos, I'm like, they're not even using nearly as much tape as I'm using. Like, what's up with that? Anna, maybe you need to reduce your hand on tape. But I guess because I'm just trying to make sure that it's secure, like it doesn't come apart, because things can happen, okay? Things can happen. So I want to make sure that my customers get their stuff. I'm not trying to say other people are not, but you know what I mean. So second one, let's check the recording. Now let's pack the third one and see what she got. Let's start recording. Let's see what she got. She got the You Are One of a Kind journal. Let me show you. Can you see that? That's what she got. Okay. So, let me grab that. So this is what she got. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, I am going to put this in this. This will act as the bubble wrap, because it is bubble wrapped on the inside. can't really see it, but so I put that in here. Move that aside. Peel this off. Fold it down. Alright, so put this in the box. She gets this bookmark. Oh, I forgot something, you guys. You see what I mean? Sometimes multitasking is not good. I was forgetting something. I was forgetting the tissue paper. Alright, let's try this again. There, and I'm using this because of the product that she got. So that is done. We are done with that. Now I just gotta clean up a little. Oh, let me stop this. Whew. All right, you guys. So let me step out so you guys can actually see me. But yeah, so that is it. That is my packing, my studio vlog, or how I pack my orders for now. Like I said, I am making do of what I have here until I don't know when. But that is it for this video, you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and also give me a thumbs up on this video. Go to the website belvstationery.com so you can order your 2025 faith-based planner. And when I say faith-based, it is faith-based. You can go in the description box and you will see the link that will take you to my flip through, my detailed flip through of this planner and the journals, so you can see everything that's in there before you make your purchase, so you understand what I mean when I say it is a faith-based planner that inspires you to keep God as the main focus with all your planning and dreaming and acting and achieving, you know, your goals, your God-given purpose. So check that video out. The link is in the description box or also up in the cards. And then head on to the website belvstationery.com so you can order your 2025 planner and your journals, so you yeah, you're ready to take on whatever life brings, to organize your day so you can see more productive days and fulfill God's purpose for your life. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and have a blessed day.